Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Maverick XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.5 liter hybrid engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the 4K tow package and the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a tow hitch, a backup camera, we got mud flaps on the rear and front with some lovely black accents along this vehicle. We do get a black roof as well. Got the XLT logo right there. And we got the black decal on the hood as well with license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats with some storage. We even get under seat storage as well, which is pretty handy. We got USB-Cs, hook, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, lights, gas cap, and trailer brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 18 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, drive modes, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get a digital speedometer. We have My View, trip and economy, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. And for our drive modes, we do get normal, sport, tow and haul, and eco, and slippery for those nice winter conditions. To my right here, we do get our gear select, parking brake, traction with tons of storage. Got a nice little phone slot there. Got your center console as well with more storage underneath. We got our volume, playback by Ford, calm screen if you just hit that button right there. Hazards with your max temp and auto hold. Storage below with storage on your dash and a nice infotainment system where you have your audio, phone, settings, features, and apps. Your climate controls at the bottom here.
And your receipt.
For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We're going to go back real quick. We got our phone controls, settings, just your basic vehicle settings, nothing spectacular about that. Features such as your towing, driving assist, and owner's manual. And any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RB66117, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.